Hello, my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the LCD on iPhone 11 Pro. Um, Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your devices. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Um, we're gonna need a heat gun. We're gonna need the new LCD. We're gonna need a set of screwdrivers. You can order this online. Glue B7000. This tool opener, and maybe this one. Okay. Before you open any electronic device, I recommend to wear one of these that is called anti-static bracelet. Okay, so also let me show you right here. You can buy on eBay. If you don't have it, you can buy on eBay a set of tools to open iPhone 11. Okay, they sell the whole kit in Amazon. So because we are gonna need 3 different screwdrivers. Phillips. No, this is Torx. This is like a Y, and this is Phillips. So we're gonna need these 3. Okay. So you can order the set on eBay, or you can find it in any computer store. Okay. So let's start. Also, I use my magnify glass because the screws are so tiny. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna like heat it up around really fast. So that way the glue it get loose, get soft. Remember, after you replace the LCD, it's not gonna be like water proof anymore. Okay, it's not gonna be waterproof anymore. But I'm gonna add some glue all the way around, and then that might stop the water to go inside the phone. Okay, so after you heat it up, we need to remove these 2 screws. So we're gonna use the torque screws. I have this magnetic that I pulled from a speaker. It's a good idea to have it next to you so you can stick the screws over there. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we need to remove the SIM card. Okay, so now we're gonna try to go inside the. Okay, remember the screen will open from here, and then like this, because the cable are attached on the right side of the phone. Okay, you see the power button? That's the way you guide where the cables are attached. So the cables are attached this side, not this side. Okay, so now we try to go in. I use this blade to go. Be careful, okay? Be careful, don't cut yourself. See? That's why it's very important to have a heat gun, because the heat gun, what it does is make the glue soft. So then with this, don't go all the way. You with this tool just go like this to open it. Sometimes I even use my nail because I have a strong nail. So see, don't open it the whole way, all the way. I mean all the way. Okay, so now here. Okay, you see the cables, like I told you, are attached to here. So let's put something here to hold the screen. Let's put more light. And then the first thing we need to remove is the battery plate, because before do anything we need to disconnect the battery. Okay, so then we're gonna use the screw that has like a it looks like a Y here. So let's remove this plate. Make sure you insert the screwdriver perfect. Otherwise, if you damage one of these mini screws, then it's so difficult to take it out. Okay, so the good thing about this phone is that these screws are the same size. Because some phones they have these two are the same. Now we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to remove the screen. And the good thing is that these 6 screws are the same size. So like I said, make sure you insert the screw perfect inside the insert the screwdriver perfect inside the screw, so that way you don't damage the screw. Okay, so now I got 3, 4, you see this one? No, this one I don't know. Okay, it's coming. 5 and 6. Okay, and be careful, don't lose these screws. Okay, so now let's put the plate somewhere, and then now we're gonna disconnect the battery. Okay, I use my nail. Okay, disconnect the cables. Okay, 3 cables. Okay, see. So now let's put this part somewhere. Let me show you. Right here is it has glue all the way around. So later we're gonna add more glue here, so that way the water doesn't go through. Okay, make sure it's clean right here. Okay, put it somewhere, and now we're gonna. Now we need to transfer this this part to the new one. Okay, also these little plastics. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, bring the new one. It's right here. So right here it has 1, 2, 3 screws. But first let me heat it up, okay, because it has some glue also. Be careful if your kids are around, because this screens, the screen is, when it's broken, it has a lot of small glasses broken, and your kids can grab it and hurt themselves, so be careful. I always work when I am alone. Okay, these two screws are different, okay? Right here. Okay, this one is longer than this one, so be careful with that, okay? Check that. Then now one more. This is even smaller, okay? So this one is, this is smaller, medium, small, medium, and large, okay? So that way you got yourself. So now you just move this the speaker like this. Do not remove it yet, okay? Let's heat it up a little bit more. I'm gonna use another screwdriver to see if I can remove this, because I don't want to break nothing. This is the microphone right here, so this one needs to come out. See? Be careful with this part. Okay. Okay, now it come out, you see? Okay, just put it somewhere, and we're gonna remove this little plastic. So let's heat it up. Okay, so now let's start. It's like broken, because this thing is broken already. But we'll see. Okay, let me heat it up again, because Yeah, it has some glue. Okay, you see, like I told you, it's a lots of broken glass here, so be careful. Like I said, with your kids or even with yourself. Don't go into your eye. Make sure it doesn't go into your eye. Okay, so this, I think that's it. So this one I don't need it anymore. So let's put it somewhere, and I'm gonna clean this because it has a lot of broken glass. Okay, so now we're gonna transfer this through here. Yeah, it should be like that. No, it's like this. Okay, like that, but I'm gonna put some glue, a little bit. Like bend it, it's like bend it, this a little, okay. So I'm gonna add some glue so that way it stay there. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna install the sensor, microphone, and everything. Okay. Okay. Make sure the microphone is perfect installed, because otherwise it won't work. Okay, so now this goes here. Like that. Now we're gonna put the screws back. Remember, the tiny one goes right here. So we're gonna use this screwdriver. Like, it has 3 sides, and this is a tiny one that goes here. That's why I need my magnifying glass, otherwise it's so difficult. Okay, also don't over tie it, because you can break the screws or the plastic where it goes. Okay, I think it looks good. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to this part, and then I'm gonna connect the cables, and I hope everything works good. Let me see. Make sure to remove everything that is on the way, so that way the LCD goes through perfect. Okay, so now I'm not gonna add the glue yet till the end. Okay, so now, okay, we're gonna connect the cables back. This one goes here. Okay. This one goes there, this one. Make sure you connect it the right way, and don't bend any of the of the connectors, because if you bend it, then it's gonna be a problem. Then to replace it is so difficult. Okay, so now right there, and now we're gonna put back the plate, this one right there, and it's coming with 6 screws. So the good thing, like I said, these screws are the same size. So for this, we're gonna use the screwdriver with the 3 size. Don't tie the screws all the way until the end. Just a little bit. Okay. I try to make my videos short, but sometimes there is no way. You have to be careful with all these parts. Okay. Okay, the last one. Now you can tie this one the whole way, then the other one. Okay. Okay, so now connect the battery. Okay, now we're gonna put back the battery plate. Okay, 2 screws. Just let me make sure it's connected. Okay. I have another job, but I do this in my days off, because I love fixing devices. It can be hours and hours here, and I don't mind. I think you have to have a passion for what you do. That way you're gonna do a good job. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm gonna add glue, okay, around, and then I'm gonna close it. This one is not good anymore. Be careful, do not put glue on the top of the camera or by the microphone. Taking my time because I don't want to add the glue on the top of something. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, make sure it's not it's not by the power button or something, because then it can get stuck and then it's not gonna work. Okay, looks fine. So okay, now let's close it. Let's close the phone. So it goes right here. Okay, so just later remove the extra glue and that's it. So let me put back the screws. I don't want my video to be super long. Okay, so now let's turn it on. Okay, Took me like 37 minutes. Okay, so see, it's working, everything works. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's the way you replace the LCD screen on iPhone 11 Pro. Check my other videos, give me a like, subscribe, ask me questions. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day and God bless.